بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 6, I hope you'll be fine and you'll be happy. This is your English class and I'm your English teacher. Dear students, as you know, we have completed chapter number 3. Now this is the turn of its exercise, which is on page number 29. Before starting this exercise, open your books at page number 29. On page number 29, this is part number B. Choose the correct option from the following. नीचे आपको जो क्वेश्चन दिए हैं इसके 4 जवाबात हैं, उसमें से सही जवाब का इंतखाब आपने करना है और बबल को पेंसिल से फिल करना है. ठीक है. Question number 1. Up to the sky flies a. So the right answer is mother sparrow. Up to the sky flies a mother sparrow. Question number 2. The little ones at home she has to. So the right answer for this question is feed. The little ones at home she has to feed. Good. Question number 3. Why does the sparrow mother fly and roam through the forest? So the right answer for this question is in search of food. वो क्यों इधर उधर करीब के जंगलों में उड़ती हैं और घूमती हैं यहाँ वहाँ? इसलिए ताकि अपने बच्चों को खाना खिलाए. In search of food. Question number 4. In question number 4, why is the mother sparrow so laborious? ठीक है. वो मेहनती क्यों है इतनी? इसलिए she has to feed her children. ठीक है. इसलिए कि वो अपने बच्चों को खाना खिलाने के लिए मेहनत करती हैं. She has to feed her children. This is the right answer. How does the mother sparrow do her works and find the food? तो किस तरीके से वो अपने खाने को सर्च करती हैं? किसी से मांगती हैं? नहीं. She does everything on her own. वो सब कुछ खुद करती हैं. वो इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनती हैं. Now on part number C, in part number C, gapped summary. Fill in the gaps with suitable words from the poem. आपको इसकी एक समरी दी है, इसको आपने सही अल्फाज लिख के फिल करना है. ठीक है. So a mother sparrow flies, F-L-Y-S, flies. A mother sparrow flies above in the sky. She moves through the forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest, and village to feed her little ones at home. Little one, L-I-T-T-L-E-O-N-E, इसके साथ आप S लगाएं. ठीक है. Little ones at home. Either it is day or night, N-I-G-H-T, night. She fulfills the need of her little ones, children. ठीक है, बच्चे. In cold or hot weather, H-O-T, hot weather, she persistently do her struggle, D-O, do her struggle. She is all alone in her struggle, depending on no one, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E, struggle. Dear students, this was the summary which I filled for you, all the blanks. After completing this part number B and C, make pictures of these 2 pages and send that pictures into our group, and I will check in, then I will give you remarks about the homework. I hope you understood today's lesson and you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep watching our videos and stay happy and healthy up to next lecture.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.